guess you've tried to make money online, but it seems like no matter what you do, you're still stuck. You see other people doing it and it looks so easy for them. Yet when you try, nothing seems to work. Or maybe you're just sitting by the sidelines wondering if you will ever crack the code. Here's the truth. Most people fail at making money online. Not because they're not smart enough, but because they're missing key pieces of the puzzle. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the 5 things that you must understand before making money online will ever work. And if you don't get number 5, you'll stay stuck forever, so don't miss it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's been holding you back, so you can finally start seeing results. So by now you might be thinking, why listen to me? Who is this person and why should I listen to her? Because I've been right where you are. I tried everything. Affiliates, MLMs, you name it, I've tried it. And guess what? Most of it did not work. Either the commissions were too low, the business model was too complicated, or I felt like I was constantly chasing people. But once I figured out the right system, everything changed. I finally had a business model that worked, made sense, and didn't require some special marketing guru. And now I help people just like you skip the trial and error and start making money the smart way. If you've tried guessing and now you want a step-by-step blueprint, drop a ready in the comments right now. Number 1, you're overcomplicating it. Most people think making money online is a big, overcomplicated thing, when really it's simple as long as you follow the right steps. You don't need a fancy website, you don't need expensive ads, or a huge audience. Here's what actually matters: having a proven system, selling something that people already want, and using automation so you're not working 24/7. The problem? Most people overthink it. Most people overthink every step and never get started. Number 2, you're focusing on the wrong things. Be honest. Have you spent hours watching YouTube videos to figure out how to start making money online, but never actually took action? It's not your fault. The internet is full of information, but most of it is just noise. Here's what actually works. Find a mentor who's actually doing it already, so you don't have any guesswork. Use a system that's already proven. There's no need to reinvent the wheel. And follow a step-by-step plan instead of trying to figure it all out on your own. Stop watching endless videos and start taking action. Number 3, you're not using the right business model. This is a big one. If you're struggling to make money online, it's probably because you're using the wrong business model. Some business models sound great on paper, but have huge problems. Amazon FBA requires thousands in inventory and has huge competition. Drop shipping, low profits, long shipping times, and customer service headaches. Surveys and apps pay pennies. You certainly won't retire off of that. But here is a smarter way. High profit digital products. No inventory, no shipping. An automated sales process, so you're never chasing people. And a done-for-you system, so you're not starting from scratch. This is why most successful online entrepreneurs focus on digital marketing and automation, because it actually works. Do you want to see the exact system that I use? Drop ready in the comments and I will send it your way. Number 4, you think you need to be an expert. Most people think they need to be some kind of marketing genius to make money online, or that they need years of experience before they get started. That's a myth. You don't need to be a tech wizard, you don't need a big following, and you don't need to spend years learning. The truth? All you need is a proven system and a willingness to follow it. If you can copy and paste and follow simple steps, you can make this work. period. And number 5, you're not taking action and it's keeping you stuck. This is the biggest reason why most people fail. They learn, they watch, they research, but they never actually do the thing. The people who win, they take action even when they feel unsure, even when they don't know everything yet. So you have 2 choices right now. You can keep doing what you're doing and stay exactly where you are, stuck, or you can take action today and start building an income stream that works for you. If you're actually serious about making money online, type ready in the comments below. I'll send you the exact steps I followed to finally break free. Don't just keep watching. Do. Your future self will thank you. See you on the inside.